Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name Ahmad Adlan bin Anuar, and now I would like to present how Industry Forward is going to shape entrepreneurship in next 10 years. Introduction. Industry 4.0, often referred to as the fourth industrial revolution, represent a paradigm shift in manufacturing and business process. It leverages digital technologies like Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, big data, and cloud computing to transform traditional industry into smart, interconnected systems. This transformation allows for a high degree of automation and autonomy in the manufacturing process, leading to improved efficiency and reduced operational costs. Machine and system can communicate with each other and make real-time decisions. Moreover, Industry 4.0 enables mass customization, improved supply chains optimization, enhanced maintenance and reliability, increase energy efficiency, and promote workplace safety. Businesses that embrace Industry 4.0 principle can become more competitive on a global scale. In the specific context of self-built drones for disease detection in oil palm plantation, Industry 4.0 has the potential to revolutionize the agriculture sector. These drones integrate with machine learning for disease detection using object detection, autopilot system, obstacle avoidance capabilities, and real-time monitoring through computer interface, exemplify how Industry 4.0 principles are applied. Industry 4.0 technologies. These technologies work in harmony to provide a holistic approach to disease detection and management, ensuring that actions are taken in real time to protect the health of oil palm plantation. The drone captures data during its flight, which is then immediately transmitted to the cloud. Once in the cloud, the data undergoes real-time analysis by machine learning algorithms that have been trained to recognize disease systems from image and other relevant data. This real-time analysis allows for the rapid identification of disease outbreaks, and alerts can be generated instantly. Entrepreneurship opportunities. In the burgeoning field of self-built drones for disease detection in oil palm plantation, a wealth of entrepreneurial prospects await those who seek to leverage the transformative power of Industry 4.0 technologies. One of the primary entrepreneurial avenues is the creation of custom drone solutions for oil palm plantation. Entrepreneurs can design and provide bespoke drone systems catering to the specific requirements of individual plantation. Additionally, entrepreneurs can tap into the cost-effective disease monitoring and early detection market. The adoption of self-built drones equipped with big data analytics and machine learning capabilities offers an efficient solution for early disease identification. Case studies. The case studies of Precision Hawk and John Deere exemplify the transformative impact of Industry 4.0 technologies on agriculture. Precision Hawk's pioneering work in integrating drones with data analytics has fundamentally reshaped agriculture practices. On the other hand, John Deere, a renowned agriculture machinery manufacturer, has embraced Industry 4.0 technologies by incorporating advanced sensor and GPS capabilities into their tractor and equipment. In essence, this study case underscores the pivotal role of Industry 4.0 in shaping the future of agriculture. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of Industry 4.0 technologies into the realm of agriculture, specifically in the context of self-built drones for disease detection in oil palm plantation, marks a paradigm shift with far-reaching implications. The convergence of Industry 4.0 technologies with agriculture presents a transformative narrative. As we move forward, the lesson from this advancement should inspire entrepreneurs worldwide, emphasizing the pivotal role of technology in shaping a greener, more connected and prosperous future for agriculture and beyond. That's all from me. Thank you.